Feeling afraid, your body is telling you, your central nervous system is telling you that you should observe the fear because basically our evolution is slow. It hasn't caught up with the reality. Our central nervous system still thinks we live in the times of saber-toothed tigers and vigilante justice, and every turn is a risk. And in those environments, it pays to be uber cautious. But in our modern life, those sorts of threats are rare. They don't really happen on a daily basis. And so we misinterpret fear as being more important than it actually is. 99% of the time now when you feel afraid, it's not an act of saving your life. It's a misfire of that evolutionary program. So if you're afraid to quit drinking, then you have to do it. You have to do it because only good things are on the other side of that wall. And why wouldn't you want the good things? Why wouldn't you want the best life?